This is 16 inches by 24 inches, which is perfect for like in your office. You can just put it underneath your like office table while you are like doing your work, and then you are doing the like grounding or earthing, or even when you're washing dishes, you can put this like where your mat is. You can like replace that with this one, and then you stand up on the in here. And have you heard of earthing or grounding? It is supposed to restore your body's electrical balance. The more of traditional way to do it is by walking barefoot on the ground. But if you live in a city, then sometimes it's not like really comfortable walking barefoot on the ground, especially like depending on the season too. When it's snowing, you cannot walk barefoot on the ground. So now there's like more of modern technology to do it. And I have here an earthing or grounding mat that was given to me by Earth and Moon. So this one is, you can just like, you just charge it, and then it will like, it's the same thing as like doing the like walking on the ground barefoot. The product came with this outlet tester, so you can check if your like electric outlet is grounded. Those two amber lights indicate a grounded outlet. So you could do the grounding or the earthing in any part of your house. When you're eating, it's the same thing. If you want to ground or to like do the earthing, just put it underneath your dining table or like by the living room when you're watching TV. So it's a very, very convenient way to do the grounding. So what are the benefits of grounding? Written on the product's website. If you're interested in doing the same thing, I highly recommend this brand. I have been using that for like almost like 2 weeks now. This Earth and Moon.